Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to restore the old YouTube layout. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. So this is actually very easy. You can see that I'm on YouTube with the present layout. Just go to a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store and click on the first search result. Inside Chrome Web Store, you will find the search bar here. Click and search for YouTube Redux. You can see the logo here. Click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension. Now, wait for it to get downloaded. A new tab will open, where you will find the details of all the changes that will happen. You will also find many customization options that you can edit according to your preferences. Click on this arrow, and there are even more options. You can read each one and select the necessary changes, but we will just skip them. Just go back to the YouTube tab and refresh it. You can see that we have restored the old YouTube layout, with the thumbnails being very small and many more videos appearing in the tab. If you want to know how to download and play videos on Telegram, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a new video.